收睇級，大家好，我係 Johnny，今日繼續係123日，我哋呢要去上面嗰個位置參觀。咁等間我哋入到去商場再講，進入片頭環節。OK， 咁應該咧就係呢等啱啱咧，其實我喺佢側邊嘅位置啊，咁所以嗰個樣咧，可能觀眾你有少少失望啊。咁而家望到佢正面咧，就知道同樣係一啲高檔嘅地方啦。冇錯，今日咧我哋嚟參觀一啲嘅藝術嘅畫展。咁通常咧我頻道少有呢啲啊。其實以前咧我喺icon視野我都拍過啦。咁到最後咧，我覺得有啲難呈現到我想要表達嘅嘢，所以就 delete 咗啦，消失咗。咁今日咧我哋趕過嚟呢邊，因為咧呢個商場8點鐘關門，依家大概7點鐘。咁今日咧同樣我想去拍攝呢一個畫面啦，咁所以呢個商場就變成我唔係展示嘅部分啦。咁少少略帶一個啦。其實我喺香港咧都想做同樣嘅嘢，但係香港咧好多地方好多手續麻煩，要申請啦，跟住咧又有啲俾拍，有啲唔俾拍啦，變相咧好棘手。咁所以我覺得我個頻道咧其實我係想多元化嘅，飲飲食食固之然有啦，玩嘅都有啦。咁但係咧藝術方面咧，我都想喺我頻道度保留，因為咧我覺得咁樣咧先能夠展示到泰國嘅多面化，同埋咧我想我嘅頻道有啲營養啊。咁事不宜遲啦，可能進入參觀畫嘅部分咧，我就會少講啲嘢，再加埋我哋嘅後期剪接同埋音樂，希望令到今次嘅畫展呈現到一個好嘅氣氛俾大家。咁再講多一兩句啦，呢個畫展其實啱啱開始啫，咁所以事不宜遲，進入我哋嘅展示部分。
Quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage flame. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love.
好啦，咁唔知咧，啱啱睇完頭先個位置咧，有幾多人走咗咧？不過唔緊要啊，都係嗰句，同樣我想做多啲嘗試，唔嘗試唔改變唔突破，又點會有更加好嘅元素同埋風格出現呢？咁所以咧喺呢啲情況咧，必要嘅犧牲都係在所難免嘅。我感覺上咧，其實呢度會有另外一個位置，咦？似係呢度喎，係咪要登記定成嘅咧？排晒隊哦，拍貼紙相。咁咧，我哋而家一支公咧唔需要拍啲相啦。佢呢度咧需唔需要？感覺上我聽落去應該係免費㗎。OK， 應該入去。咁入去之前咧要做少少嘅登記啊，去就搜集資料啦。等我哋填一填先。確認卡。OK， 一樣啦，入到嚟咧，我哋整。 咁呢條片呢，我諗呢就 cut 成為咁短啦，大概其實呢條片主要就係我想展示呢度有一個嘅畫展啦，同埋亦都想話俾大家聽，佢啱啱開始啫。咁呢段期間，如果嚟到泰國嘅你呢，不妨可以過嚟望下、影下相啊、打下卡啊，都係一個唔錯嘅收穫嚟嘅。咁都係嗰句啦，我希望我頻道未來慢慢發展成為多元化嘅感覺啦，俾到大家一個有營養嘅節目。咁所以就慢慢做多少少嘅調整同埋嘗試，咁希望觀眾中意，或者亦都可以俾少少回饋我。咁我係 Johnny，如果中意我影片嘅 like 定 share， 仲有打小鈴鐺支持我話，俾個 comment 亦都係可以嘅。我一定喺下一部影片再見。爭啲咧漏咗呢個地方添。'Cause we got love, 'cause we got love. You wanna get to me close, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. The dream came true, waking up last night, walking down the line. It's never enough, I can't get it out of my head, falling asleep instead. It's a long way down at the speed of sound. Oh my love, what's on your mind? Stupid laughter, I feel like a number one under the fading sun. And our hearts beat faster now, we follow the tracks till we're lost, keeping us safe